Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your RAM Promaster into neutral using an easy method. First, make sure your vehicle is on a flat, safe surface. Then, insert your key and turn the ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. It's crucial that the engine remains off for this process. Finally, firmly press and hold the brake pedal with your foot. This prepares the system for the next steps. With the brake pedal still pressed, carefully move the gear selector from park or drive directly into the neutral position. You should feel a distinct click as it engages. Once you've confirmed the selector is in neutral, you can release the brake pedal. Your RAM Promaster is now in neutral, ready for towing or being moved short distances. Always double-check the gear indicator to ensure it displays N. After shifting, take a moment to confirm that the dashboard display clearly shows N for neutral. This visual confirmation is important. If you intend to move the vehicle, remember to release the parking brake. Once you're certain everything is correct, turn the ignition completely off. This action locks the transmission in neutral, preventing accidental engagement of a gear. Always ensure the vehicle is secure before leaving it. To exit neutral, first apply the parking brake for safety. Then, turn the ignition back to the run position. Now you can shift the gear selector into park or drive to resume normal operation. Remember to release the parking brake before driving away. For more great tips and deals, check the description below this video. You'll find a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic offers to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.